And let's first get you all the updates you need to know on the farmers' agitation. They're continuing their protest at Delhi borders over the centre's recently passed farm laws. Now, a crucial meeting took place on Sunday at BJP chief JP Nadda's residence, aimed essentially to resolve the farmers' stir. This meeting was presided by Union Home Minister Amit Shah, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar were also present. Shah appealed to farmers to move to the Burari ground, the assigned site for the protest. Defiant farmers, however, remain relentless of not entering Delhi and are currently halted at Delhi's borders. Farmer unions have claimed that Burari ground is an open jail and continue the demand of staging a protest at Delhi's Jantar Mantar. Farmer unions have also decided to gear out Delhi by blocking 5 main entry points to the national capital. Also erupted between the Haryana Chief Minister and his Punjab counterpart, Captain Amrinder Singh. Khattar claimed that the Punjab government is responsible for the protest. Hitting back, Punjab Chief Minister said that the Haryana CM has disowned his own farmers. Rajasthan Chief Minister, meanwhile, has written to the centre to hear out farmers and also ensure a rethink on farm laws. Farmers right now are staying put at Delhi's Tikri border, at the Singhu border and Ghazipur border, causing hardship for commuters.
भारत सरकार आपके साथ आपकी समस्या और मांगों के लिए बातचीत करने के लिए तैयार है।
कब तक दुखी किसान रहेगा?
Home Minister Amit Shah urged farmers to join talks, but has also put a precondition for protesters to clear highway first.
मेरा आप सभी को ये आश्वासन है कि जैसे ही आप लोग इसमें शिफ्ट हो जाते हैं, एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड जगह पे अपने आंदोलन को शिफ्ट करते हैं, दूसरे ही दिन भारत सरकार आपके साथ आपकी समस्या और मांगों के लिए बातचीत करने के लिए तैयार है।
Farmer unions held a meeting to discuss Amit Shah's appeal for discussion, but rejected the precondition to shift their protest site to government-designated spot in Delhi's Burari area.
बटारी पार्क में नहीं जाएंगे, कभी नहीं जाएंगे, क्योंकि जो ਅਸੀਂ पड़ताल किया है बटारी पार्क का, हमें पता लगा है कि वो पार्क नहीं है, वो ओपन जेल है।
Earlier on Sunday, major drama unfolded at Delhi Ghaziabad and Singhu border.
You can see again there is tension between the forces and the farmers who are protesting. They are trying to go inside the national capital, that is in Delhi, but the police is not allowing. First layer of barricade has been broken by the protesters.
Unprecedented pictures these, right at the national highway that connects Punjab, Haryana to Delhi. And you can see that this is not a protest ground. This is not Jantar Mantar. As far as you can look, there are trucks, tractors, crowds, people, and a lot of sloganeering.
Amid the 4-day face-off in capital, Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlighted the advantages of the centre's new farm laws in his Mann Ki Baat address.
काफी विचार विमर्श के बाद भारत की संसद ने कृषि सुधारों को कानूनी स्वरूप दिया। इन सुधारों से न सिर्फ किसानों के अनेक बंधन समाप्त हुए हैं, बल्कि उन्हें नए अधिकार भी मिले हैं, नए अवसर भी मिले हैं।
During his visit to Hyderabad, Amit Shah reiterated and echoed support for farmers. Agriculture Minister Narendra Tomar called for right environment for talks and assured that MSP will continue.
मैं इतना स्पष्ट कहना चाहता हूं कि तीनों बिल जो है किसान रिफॉर्म्स है वो किसानों के भले के लिए है और बहुत समय के बाद किसान एक जकड़ी हुई व्यवस्था से बाहर आने वाला है।
कृषि सुधार कानूनों का एमएसपी से कोई लेना देना नहीं। एमएसपी पहले भी चालू थी, अभी भी एमएसपी पर खरीद हुई है और आने वाले कल में भी वो खरीद होती रहेगी।
But the Congress and Aam Aadmi Party slammed the centre for not engaging farmers for dialogue.
अमित शाह जी, सत्ता का अहंकार क्या आपके सर चढ़कर बोल रहा है? अगर आप 1200 किलोमीटर हैदराबाद जनसभा को संबोधित करने के लिए जा सकते हैं, तो 15 किलोमीटर दूर शंभू बॉर्डर पर किसानों से बातचीत के लिए क्यों नहीं?
Farmers protesting against the farm laws are staying out at the Tikri border amid police deployment. Security has been beefed up at the Singhu border, and the situation remains tense at the Delhi Ghaziabad border too. With Mosme Singh, Munish Pandey, Arvind Oja and Himanshu Mishra in Delhi. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.